everyone. Nowadays, there is a lot of plastic pollution, but the most important news is microplastic. They are tiny shards of plastic membrane that move easily. And it's important to know that most plastic do not degrade, they become microplastic. So we wanted to recycle the lemon peels and create with them a bioplastic recycle. We use lemon peels and other organic ingredients like rice and vinegar. But problems around the process, and we have been changing the recycle for 3 years until we obtain the final result. We have varied the qualities and some ingredients until we achieve a new bioplastic recycle. A normal plastic comes from petroleum and a bioplastic from organic matter, so we cannot have the same qualities, but they do have similar qualities. For agriculture, we can make irrigation tubes with sets, and when it uses ants, when planted, another new plant grows from it. And these are the qualities of the bioplastic. The most important quality is the hydrophobicity. This allows the material to come into contact with water without degrading. It can be found in nature, and we include it with natural beeswax. To see how long it takes to degrade, we have done this several tests. And we have seen that in water and wetland, it degrades faster than in dry environments. We also include seeds to check if it serves as fertilizer. And the plants grow so much better with it, thanks to this acidity, that makes it easier to obtain nutrients. The final conclusion is that it is possible to create bioplastic from lemon peels. It has qualities very similar to current plastic, with enhanced durability that allow many applications for everyday and industrial use.